In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove watermark in Inkscape. If you're working with a file you own or have permission to edit, removing a watermark in Inkscape is straightforward. I'll walk you through a simple approach first, then show you what to do if the watermark is grouped with other objects, and finally, how to remove it from the XML editor when it's buried deeper in the file. Start by launching Inkscape on your computer. Once it's open, either open an existing document that contains the watermark or create a new one and import the artwork you want to edit. Give the canvas a moment to render everything so selections are accurate. Next, use the Select tool. You can click the arrow icon on the toolbar or press the S key to activate it. Move your pointer over the watermark and click it once. If the watermark is a separate object, you'll see a bounding box appear around it, confirming it's selected. Take a second to make sure you've grabbed only the watermark and not nearby artwork. If needed, zoom in for precision so you can clearly see the selection edges. With the watermark selected, press the Delete key. The watermark should disappear immediately. If you removed the wrong thing by accident, don't worry. Press Ctrl+Z to undo and try selecting again. If nothing happens when you click, or if a large chunk of the design is selected at once, the watermark may be part of a group. In that case, right-click the selected object and choose Ungroup, or press Ctrl+Shift+G. You may need to ungroup more than once, because designs can be nested in multiple groups. After each ungroup, try clicking the watermark again with the Select tool. Once it becomes an individual, selectable piece, press Delete to remove it. If the watermark still isn't directly selectable, use the XML editor for a precise under-the-hood removal. Open it with Ctrl+Shift+X. A tree view of all objects in your document will appear. Carefully browse through the structure and look for entries that represent the watermark. These might be text elements or paths. Clicking an element in the XML tree highlights it on the canvas, which helps confirm you found the right one. When you're sure you've selected the watermark's element, delete it from the XML editor. Take your time here and remove only the element tied to the watermark to avoid affecting other parts of your artwork. And that's it. With these approaches, simple selection, ungrouping, and the XML editor, you can reliably remove a watermark in Inkscape and continue working cleanly on your design.